Hi there, it's time for lunch and we're having plantain vegetable porridge. Oh, I'm already imagining the concluded prepared food. So this is plantain and it's very healthy. It's a superfood, very similar to what you get from potato in terms of calories, but it contains more vitamins and minerals. A lot of vitamins and minerals. Remember that this plantain has to be cooked. It's not the same as banana. Some people will go ahead and be eating semi-ripe plantain as if they're eating banana. No, this is meant to be boiled. So in this plantain, you're going to get magnesium, potassium in very high quantity. You would also get vitamin B, vitamin C. It's really, really super. You would get dietary fiber. This fiber is very important in weight control. Potassium and magnesium are very important in your heart health. They keep you healthy. You also get some phytochemicals, antioxidants that will remove damaged cells from your body and prevent your cells from getting damaged. Dietary fiber will help those who are trying to lose weight. I remember when I was losing weight, plantain was one of my friends. Apart from potato, another food that I really ate several times was plantain. Don't let your plantain be too ripe. Just semi-ripe is best. And please don't sentence yourself to green plantain every day. Some people have been told that because they have diabetes, then they must eat green plantain alone. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. No. You don't have to eat green plantain alone. You can include green plantain as part of your diet, but you don't have to. There are alternatives to green plantain, and then it's also healthy when it's just semi-ripe. So don't think that it's only green plantain that is healthy. You eat this plantain and get a lot of benefit, but you don't eat it alone. We're going to eat it with vegetable, and today we're adding green peas to our vegetable so that this meal can be balanced. From the plantain, you're going to get a lot of carbohydrates, resistant starch, dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals, but little or no protein. They are depending on the vegetable, the locust bean and the green peas to supply protein to the meal. So let's get down to preparing the vegetable. This is your local bell pepper. Blend pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, ginger. Blend everything together. Place in your Salad Master cookware. Add seasoning or multi-purpose seasoning, sea salt, add to taste, and then you are ready to add your green peas. Add the green peas and let it boil for a while. And the last thing, okay, you are adding vegetable. The last thing will be the carrot. So the next thing is to add the vegetable. Wash the vegetable very well. We're using ugu. This ugu, it contains several nutrients. That's why we like using ugu. You are not just getting the usual potassium, magnesium alone from vegetable. You are also getting protein. From this ugu, you are getting iron. And imagine combination of protein and iron. It just favors building blood. It favors improving your immunity. All the ingredients we're using today actually favor your immunity. So this is a very good meal if you are trying to improve your immunity. Whether there is COVID-19 or not, you're supposed to be improving your immunity against all kinds of diseases. So learn to eat a lot of vegetables and don't cook this vegetable for too long. As soon as the pepper is boiling, as soon as you pour the pepper, you are adding green peas. They are boiling together. As soon as it's boiled, then add the washed, chopped vegetables. And a few minutes later, maybe just 2 minutes, your carrots should have been well washed, chopped, add it and steam for about 5 minutes. Then your plantain that has been boiled, peel it, add it to the sauce and mix together. That's plantain porridge. Very nice, nutritious, balanced. Enjoy your lunch.
Enjoy.
I have locust bean, ginger, garlic, onion, tomatoes, ugu. Then tea is the base of all these things mentioned here. Except locust bean, I combine the tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic to get the base. This is the base, will be the basic thing I'm going to use to make my porridge. So let's begin by slicing our our plantain. I told I use semi-ripe plantain. You can choose any plantain of your choice. Remember, I'm using electric skillet to make my porridge. I predicted the machine for some time. Then I'm going to add the paste, a little of this paste, to fast cook my porridge. At this point, I'm going to top it with all-purpose seasoning to make it tasty and yummy. Very little. Without wasting much of our time, let's just add a full tablespoon of locust bean, locally called iru in Yoruba language. So stir your plantain, cover it to cook properly. Then after that, we are now going to add this, and then I'm going to cut a little carrot into my porridge. Let me bring my carrot. Wow, one carrot is enough. The carrot is washed already. You can also use Salad Master machine to fast track your work, or you can also chop if you like chopping, like Chef Victor, like chopping. So very simple. If you want to chop, learn from Chef Victor. He will show you how to chop. So I have all this. I'm going to add all this into my porridge. Then I'm also going to slice this, the ugu leaf, one side. Always remember, don't cut the stems. This stem is very nutritious, so don't try to cut it off, especially the soft part. Always make sure that you add it into your food for better benefit. So big in the big chunk. So all this is ready. I'm going to use all this to garnish my vegetable porridge. So let's wait for some minutes to allow our plantain to cook. First of all, add the carrot, chop carrot, then mix it. Then add some ugu. As soon as you add the vegetable, make sure that you reduce the temperature. It's the time to serve. Our vegetable plantain porridge is ready for you. So this is what I have for you. Enjoy.